Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expedia points, OneKeyCash. If you've been earning rewards through Expedia's OneKey program, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn that balance into real savings on your next trip. First, head to Expedia.com using a web browser or the Expedia app. Being on the official site or app ensures you see the latest options and your correct rewards balance. Next, sign into your Expedia account. This is important. Your OneKeyCash only appears when you're logged in. If you're not seeing your balance, double-check that you're using the right account and that your region and currency are set correctly. Now, search for what you need: a hotel, a flight, or another eligible booking. Use filters to narrow down by dates, price, and preferences. Not every option allows rewards redemption, so look for listings that are eligible. For hotels, Pay Now options typically work best with OneKeyCash. For flights, most mainstream fares are eligible, but it can vary by airline, fare type, and route. Select your travel option and review the details carefully: dates, traveler names, room or fare rules, and cancellation policies. Rewards redemptions follow the booking's policy, so it's worth confirming what's refundable and what isn't before you apply your balance. Proceed to checkout. Here's where you'll see the price breakdown and payment area. Look for a section labeled Use OneKeyCash or a rewards box showing your available balance. On the app, it may appear near the payment methods. On desktop, it's often in the right-hand price summary or under payment details. Apply your available OneKeyCash. You can usually choose how much to use, either the full amount or a partial redemption. Using a partial amount can be handy if you want to spread savings across multiple trips. Even when you use rewards, you may still need a payment card for any remaining balance, security deposits, or incidentals. If you also have a coupon or a credit, click Use Coupon, Credit, or Promotion Code. Enter your code and apply it. Keep in mind, some bookings don't allow stacking rewards with coupons, so you may need to compare which option gives you the best price. Review the updated total price. Make sure the OneKeyCash and any coupon are reflected, confirm traveler details, and check the final cancellation terms. If you cancel a refundable reservation, rewards typically return as OneKeyCash rather than to your card. Finally, complete your booking.